guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Georgia and tonight we're gonna go through my summer night routine. I'm so excited to start going through this with you because I don't know about you, but I feel my best when I have some sort of routine, like something that allows me to stay consistent with my goals and just get things done. Because I've been noticing lately that I just haven't been feeling my best, and I know that I feel my best when I do some small things for myself, like making those small consistent habits. So we're about to start cooking dinner. We've got chicken tonight. I usually do like a vegetable, but we don't have any vegetables. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a side salad and then pair it with like avocado for some healthy fats. Oh, and I think I've got some rice left over from yesterday. I'm gonna meal prep a lot of chicken. It's been pre-seasoned with like a barbecue seasoning from the store. So let's get into it. While the chicken's cooking, I made just a really simple side salad. It's got leafy green lettuce, tomato, salt and pepper, and I didn't have any olive oil, so it's avocado oil today. And then I like to just let that soak before I eat it. I don't know why, but my uncle, he used to make like a all tomato salad, like just tomato with salt and pepper and olive oil, and it would soak, and by the time I ate it, oh, it was just so good. But I was like, I'm not just gonna eat tomatoes, so I put this all together. And then I've got the avocado ready for when I want to put it on my plate. And then I slice some tomatoes because I eat things more when they're prepped and ready to go, because the idea of like cutting a fresh tomato for a sandwich like just pisses me off in the moment. I get really lazy, so I like to just prep food so that I can just easily put it in a sandwich or a salad or a meal, because I'm gonna do like a turkey sandwich for lunches for the next few days. And then I also did the same for my lettuce, because there's nothing worse than like a soggy lettuce that's been sitting in the fridge and then you're like, oh no, I spoiled it. So I like to keep it like this with just a paper towel underneath. It's been rinsed off, fried down a bit, and then I just put it in a container and then I keep it in the fridge, and that keeps it a lot fresher. We don't have any soggy lettuce going on. Guys, it's literally like 8:20 p.m. and it's still so bright and sunny that I have the blinds closed behind the curtains and the sun is just blaring through because of which direction my apartment faces. And it honestly just blows my mind every summer. I'm like, it's like this until like 9:30 or 9:20. So I just keep these down and the air conditioner on. I know it's like an eyesore, but the way the apartment's set up, we need this so badly. This brownie that I'm having for dessert is so chewy, but also like crispy on the edges. It's so good. I bought it when I was at the store and it's all allergy friendly. I just had the best dinner. It was chicken, rice, avocado, the salad that we made, and the seasoning that was pre-done at the store was actually pretty good. It was like very faint barbecue, like sweet flavor, which I usually prefer to do like a nice Cajun seasoning or like a honey soy chicken. Jason, my boyfriend, he usually eats dinner with me, but he's currently out at basketball. I like to cook for like 3 nights, so we'll have the dinner that night and then I'll have meal prep food for the next 2 days. Next up, I think we have some frozen pasta sauce that I've kept in the freezer, which my grandparents, my nonna and nonno, they used to do that as well. They'd cook like a huge batch of sugo and they'd keep it in the freezer, and I'm like, I don't know why I didn't do that. So we just bought 2 times more than we usually do for pasta, and I made a huge batch and I've been letting it cook for a really long time and it just soaks in all the flavor. I think I want to fake tan tonight and get cozy, set the vibe, set the tone so that my mind can know that it's time to wind down and go to sleep. I just had a shower, put on the Tanologist face and body drops to do an overnight self tan. I usually try and do this during the day since it is like an express one, but I just thought for the night routine, let's do it this evening and then I'll just wash my sheets tomorrow. But luckily this one is a non-transfer, so that's why I can wear my pajamas. I just have on this cute little matching set from Target. I've got the air conditioner going, the fan's going, it's getting all cooled down over there, and I'm going to be winding down. We've got the mood lighting set. I'm really excited to continue getting into my book. I feel like one of the best parts about being a bookworm and loving reading is that it keeps me off of my phone, it keeps me off of scrolling on social media. So if there's a book that's on your to be read list that you haven't started reading yet, or one that you are trying to get through, I recommend reading the hour before bed because it helps you wind down. And I know a lot of people are like, yeah, but if I start reading, I'll literally fall asleep within 10 to 15 minutes. Isn't that better than scrolling on your phone and comparing your lives to others? So I usually do that, or I watch like an ASMR video. My favorite are Ecuador Lives. They're so good and they just put me in such a relaxed state. So if you don't like reading, try ASMR. Guys, this is the feeling that I've been aiming for. I'm like getting sleepy, I'm feeling really relaxed. Jason just got home, if you can hear things in the background, and I just did some of my 5-minute journals, some gratitude, which I feel like I really notice the difference when I'm consistent with my gratitude, because I just feel better about life, like just spending about 5 minutes just being grateful. Because you actually think through your day, like, what was I grateful for? You take a moment to reflect. I feel like if you can be consistent with that for a little bit, your overall mindset changes and it just feels really good. And I'm proud of myself for doing it, because I feel like it's uncomfortable to do these things where it's like, oh, I'm gonna sit down and be so lovey towards myself sometimes. So I think that's like the whole journey with self-love and self-care, and being consistent with it, it really forces you to sit down in those moments where you don't want to be consistent.